start. So we are opening a buy trade here with 20 bucks. At the moment, what's happening over the graph? Basically, the instrument is in the oversold zone right now, and we expect a breakdown of the ATS line and arrival at the level of 19.88550. Okay, so the overall option is up, and we had a very long downtrend before, right? But here we actually reached a very strong support level, and that is why basically right now we will see the reverse of the price. And here in the reverse of the price, the buyers will definitely take the power, and we will have which means that we will have really huge profits right now. So let's basically be a little bit patient. So you know, patience is one of the golden rules of the trader. If you are already watching my videos, if this is not the first time, then you know about it. If you are watching me for the first time, make sure you are subscribed, because here I'm sharing my knowledge, my expertise with you guys to help you understand what actually is happening over here on the graph. And we got a trade closed with $38. Pretty good beginning of the traders day. Guys, let's move on to the next trade. So let's set the amount, $38, and right now we are opening a buy trade over here. So we are at the support level 126.400. You see what I'm talking about, right? So we are here on a very strong support level, and we expect a pullback from this strong level. So very similar situation to the previous one. Here, once we reach a very strong support level, it's very important, guys, to understand whether the buyers or the sellers, no matter, so whether we have enough power to break through this level. And here in this particular situation, there is not enough power to break this level, so that's why basically we see a reverse of the price once again. And here oscillator is in the oversold zone, so the overall option is up right now, so we should wait a little bit until the trade will be closed. So right now we actually see that the sellers are trying to, you know, to take this in, but they do not have enough power here, and the buyers win. Yes, the trade is closed, 73 bucks. Pretty good, I think. And now we can move on to the next trade. Okay, let's set the trading amount, 73 bucks, and let's open a buy trade right now. So here the level 5.10855, you see, right? So here this level is a very strong support zone again. So very similar situation, guys. So here what I want to tell you guys, the more similar situations you face, the more experience you get, so the more there are more chances that in the next time when you see the similar situation, you will already know the behavior of the market, you will have the expertise, and you will understand what will happen next. So it's all about the practice, guys, the practice and the knowledge. Practice, it's on you. Knowledge, here am I for you to help with it. So basically we expect a rebound and a retest of the resistance level over here, and 5.10900 here. Breakout is actually possible, and nevertheless the option is up right now, and we got our trade closed, $138. Very good, guys. Let's move on to the next trade. Interesting situation. Let's set the amount, and let's open right now a sell trade over here. What can I say? We are under strong selling pressure, guys. So here we have a very strong downtrend movement, and we expect a move down as well in the future. So if you take a look at this indicator here, I mean, at the bottom you will see that it stands, you know, this red line is also not on the bottom, you know, it's in the middle, which means that the selling power continues to prevail right now. And yes, we expect the further movement down, and the oscillator has here a margin of safety, so the option is to short. And right now that's basically what we see on the graph happening at the moment. The price is still falling down, and all we need is to wait a little bit more. Yes, let's just wait a little bit more. And while we're waiting, guys, I want to remind you that if you, the trade closed to 164 bucks, done. Very good. So I want to remind you quickly is that if you need some help, knowledge, strategies, signals, by the way, to trade, you can enter my Telegram channel. The link is down below this video, and you will find there all the information you need absolutely free. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and let's move on to the next trade. $264. We are opening a buy trade over here. Why? I will explain right now. Here the instrument is in a strong oversold zone at the moment, okay, and we expect an upward pullback. So ADS for long right now, and the option to the upside at the moment. So my colleague Aleja, what do you think? We are agree on the one decision. So here actually a pretty obvious situation that the moment of the price is going up right now, basically. And guys, if you lack the practice, that's not a big deal. That's not a problem. Practice, it's practice comes with time, but first of all you need to focus on these indicators that I'm working with, or other indicators that you prefer, and you should understand how these indicators work and how they interact with the market to better understand what's happening over here on a graph. Here right now the price is still oscillating, but we actually still expect the price to go up. And yes, we got a trade close with more than $500 at the moment. Very good. We were starting with $20. If you remember, right now we have more than 500, and that's pretty good. Pretty good speed for us in less than 10 minutes. So right now, next graph, next pair, here we're opening a buy trade at the moment. And what can I say? Here we have very strong upward movement, you see it by yourself. And we broke already through resistance level at 5.11050. You see, right, this level? So we already broke through this resistance level and moving strongly upwards. So once we break through the resistance level, we definitely should try to go up. And here definitely we are in a long position right now. So of course the sellers are trying to take the power, but they do not have enough power. Basically we should wait a bit more. Great, we got a trade close, $984, almost 1,000, guys, in less than 10 minutes. Make sure you leave your thumbs up if you like what's happening here on the screen, and if you want this actually to happen on your screens as well. And that's basically why I am here, guys, to help you out with trading stuff. Let's move on to the next trade. Here right now we're opening a sell trade with more than $900, 984 to be more exact. Here what do we have? There is a range of movement on the oscillator, and the support level of 19.88400. You see this level, guys? Yes. So this support level is strong, and the 80 is for shorting right now. Therefore, it is unambiguous option down right now. So we have overall option down movement in the nearest past. I mean, and here we expect the further movement in the nearest future. So basically the price is still trying to oscillate. You can see that right now the buyers are trying to take the power. So let's see what basically would happen. The main thing here, guys, not to worry, not to panic. Here you need to be patient with these high volatility markets. When the price is how to say, the price jumping up and down. Here we got a trade closed with 0 profits. Not a problem, guys. Let's just try out another one. So we are opening another one trade with our $984, another one sell trade over here. What can I say about this one graph, about this one situation? Well, we actually approached the overbought zone at the moment, and the buyer began to weaken over here. Despite here we see right now still the attempts of the price to raise. Nevertheless, here the buyer already begins to weaken, and therefore we expect a downward decline as well, and you will see it basically right now. We already reached this very strong level, this overbought zone, guys. So this is actually the moment, not quite obvious, but this is the moment where the price begins starts to reverse actually. And the more such situations you will face, the more of course the better you will understand this this graph, this market. You see this very strong shadow of the red candle, so it means that yeah, we got a trade closed actually almost $2,000. What I've been telling you guys, pretty good. So this shadow means that there was a very strong attempt, okay, of the buyers to take the scene, but nevertheless we see the price falling down right now. So let's move on to the next trade. I guess the last but not the least. Okay, we're opening another one sell trade over here with 18.99 right now. The price is in a downtrend over here, you see it by yourself. And yes, we expect the further decline in the price, and there is a move margin on the oscillator at the moment. So the overall option is down right now, and basically there are no another indicators or another you know, everything is telling us that the price and the overall market and option is down, and there are no another indicators right now telling us that the price can take another one direction. I mean, the price can go up. No, this pretty clear and obvious situation where we have the decline of the price, the downward division of the market, and all we need to do is to be a little bit patient, guys, because here we picked a very good moment to open a sell trade right now. So it's one of the golden rules of the trader to pick the right moment, guys. Here there is no need to know everything and to know how to act in all yes, we got a trade close basically more than $3,000. So I mean, the main important thing is to pick the right moment, guys. It's not about opening the trade at any time because you know what to do. No, you should pick the right moment to get really huge profits, guys. And I guess we can actually try out another one trade before we finalize over here. Let's try out another one. $2,000 right now. I'm opening a buy trade over here. We are at the level of here 126, right? And 460 actually is a very strong support zone over here, and we broke away from it and are going up right now. So what can I say? The oscillator has a margin of safety. The option is up overall. So basically here you see, if you take a look at what was happening in the past, you will see that the price already came up to this level. I mean 126. Yes, we already came to this level. We tested it, then we came to it once again, which means that right now in the nearest future and a little bit in a longer future, we will see the price raising up, the price going up. And actually that's what's happening right now on the market. We can see that the buyers are taking the power, are taking the scene, which means really huge profits for us. And we got a trade close, $3,860. Guys, we started with $20 and right now we have $4,000. How do you like it? Well, leave your comments, I will really appreciate. Make sure you leave your thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed, because I have very much trading stuff you know, prepared for you. I'm here to help you out with trading, guys. This was Vladimir, Russian Traders channel. See ya in the next video.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.